How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the 55-inch Serif TV by Samsung, and we're going to get into why this is such a special TV. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to say that this TV is a little different than some of the other ones that we've reviewed. We're not so much focused on the picture quality, but more of the lifestyle and overall design of the product. Now, this TV is probably not for your average consumer, but it is cool, and if you can find a space for it and you want to spend a little money on something nice, I do recommend taking a look at it. Now, this TV does come with stands, so if you want to place it on the floor like so, you can, and it looks good just about anywhere you put it. Now, this TV does come in a 43-inch, 49-inch, and 55-inch, but I find that the 55-inch is pretty good for just about any scenario. I mean, unless you're going to throw this, in the corner of your kitchen, you probably don't need to go way too smaller. Now, just the basics, when we get to the remote, you're looking at the standard Samsung remote. However, it is white, and I really like the way it looks. You got your Amazon Prime, Netflix, and Hulu buttons all ready for quick access. Not to mention the chrome volume and channel scrubbers. I like those too. On the regular remote, it's just regular finish, but it does add to the nice kind of fancy feel that you get with this TV. I think as far as design goes, the back also looks well. You can put this in the middle of your room, and I don't think you would have a problem with the way it looks. Now, I think something that sets this TV apart from others is its design, and obviously that's what they're going for. This is a lifestyle TV, so it's sure to fit in any home where you're really trying to portray that simple, modern, minimalistic feel to your apartment or house, wherever you put this. Now, I really like the frame of this TV. It adds a lot of depth, and you don't usually see this from any TVs because most of them are bezel-less, or they don't have much of a bezel, so you're not used to it, but I think it does look really good as an art TV. Now, this TV does come in a variant of colors. You're looking at black, white is the most common in my opinion, and navy blue and kind of like a different color red. Now, side by side, some Samsung TVs. This is no Q90, but it is comparable to a Q70, so you're still getting that QLED quality, but more importantly, this is more about fitting that style and kind of adding a decorative piece to your home. Now, if you guys have any other questions about this TV, feel free to leave them in the comments. It's very interesting and different, so I'd like to see what you guys think of it. My name's Justin, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and visit waltz.com before your next purchase of electronics and ask for a custom YouTube coupon code. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, leave them below.